The Yakry Y25 wireless backup camera is designed for easy installation, allowing you to connect the monitor to your vehicle's power source without running extensive wiring. With its stable 2.4 gigahertz digital signal, this backup camera maintains a reliable connection even in challenging conditions, making it an excellent choice for a variety of vehicle types. The intuitive touch button interface allows for easy adjustments of brightness, guidelines, and image orientation, ensuring a hassle-free parking experience. Equipped with a 150-degree wide-angle lens, the camera covers more blind spots and can double as a trailer hitch camera, providing comprehensive visibility. The camera's advanced night vision capabilities, aided by a large aperture, deliver clear images in low-light conditions, enhancing safety during nighttime driving. The device's IP69K waterproof rating ensures durability and functionality in adverse weather, making it a reliable companion for various driving environments.